Martins, J Martins. What's up?
Kcee, I don't like
Kcee, where you at?
Yeah, that's me, right?
These are only born name Heshiriki.
Yeah, you liked it in America. That's
what's up, man.
Yeah, you know.
I'm Bushirani.
I told you, man. I told you.
Yeah.
I told
And I tell everybody, this KCee Limpopo is one of the funniest people you can ever meet in your life. Yo, this guy will crack you up. Even 1 minute alone with Kcee, you go laugh tire. Kcee, I always tell him, say, listen, Kcee, that's my guy. I say, listen, my guy. If to say you no be musician, if to say you no be singer, I swear to Heavenly Father, you go just be the biggest comedian when Nigeria don't get. Yo, if Kcee no be singer, he will be the biggest comedian Nigeria don't get. I swear to God. Anyway, let's enjoy this throwback. Me, Kcee, and J Martins in New York. The man just they crack us up. So we just went into, I think it was KFC, to buy a chicken. Kcee called and say, would you like to eat a cocoa? Oh boy, Okirikiri ukwu say, it can't remind me of Hank Anuku and that is infamous line, which is Ebeberugobele, Kcee Bebela and Kukwaya. I hope we enjoy this thing. Throwback with Kcee and J Martins in New York. Oh boy, this guy die, funny die. Martins, J Martins. What's up?
Kcee, I don't like
Kcee, where you at?
Yeah, that's me, right?
These are only born name Heshiriki.
Yeah, you liked it in America. That's
what's up, man.
Yeah, you know.
I'm Bushirani.
I told you, man. I told you.
Yeah.
I told you Okirikiri kind of book so you can't climb that shit. I told you. You know what I mean?
Kind of what?
Okirikiri kind of book so you can climb that shit.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, man.
Yo, but what?
I got Washington out of the street. Yeah, we go to take off, man.
So Okirikiri kind of what?
Ukwu, so you can't climb that shit.
So you can't climb that shit?
Can't climb it.
Yo, J Martins, you heard your brother?
We4We TV, onye na-achọghị We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema.